Hello friends, this video is the part 2 of ecosystem and applied ecology, probable long type questions and answers. What is food chain? Food chain. A food chain describes how energy and nutrients move through an ecosystem. At the basic level, there are plants that produce energy. Then it passes on to higher level organisms such as herbivores. After that, when non-vegetarians eat vegetarian food, the energy is transferred from one to the other. In the food chain, energy is transferred from one living organism through another in the form of food. Primary producers, primary consumers, secondary consumers, and decomposers are all parts of the food chain. Every plant and animal species, no matter how large or small, depends to some degree on another plant or animal species for existence. This could be bees consuming pollen from a flower, photosynthesis of plants, deer eating strawberry, or lions eating deer. A food chain shows how energy is transferred from one living organism to another through food. It is important for us to understand how the food chain works that we can know what are the important living organisms that make up the food chain and how the ecology is balanced. Photosynthesis is only the beginning of the food chain. There are several types of animals that will eat the products of the photosynthesis process. Examples are deer that eat strawberry leaves, rabbits that eat carrots, or insects that eat grass. When these animals eat these plant products, food energy and organic compounds are transferred from plants to animals. These animals are in turn eaten by other animals, again transferring energy and organic compounds from one animal to another. The sun is the ultimate source of energy on earth. It provides the energy needed for all plant life. Plants use this energy for the process of photosynthesis, which is used to synthesize their food. During this biological process, light energy is converted into chemical energy and passed through successive levels. The flow of energy from a producer to consumer and finally to the apex predators or detritivore is called the food chain. Dead and decaying matter along with organic debris is broken down into its components by scavengers. The reducers then absorb these components. After receiving the energy, the reducer releases the molecules into the environment which can be used again by the producers. Here is a classic example of food chain in an ecosystem. The grasshopper eat the plants. Then the mice eat the grasshoppers. Then the snake eat the mice. The eagle eat the snakes. When the hogs die, fungi breaks the bodies down and turns into nutrients. Then the nutrients along with sun and water cause the grass to grow. Food chain in ecosystem. For an ecosystem to work, energy must flow within it. Organisms in an ecosystem require energy in the form of food. The ultimate source of this energy in the sun, producers such as green plants trap solar energy and convert it into the chemical energy of food. When a primary consumer eats a producer, a portion of this energy is given to it. The primary consumer is then consumed by the secondary consumer, and the secondary consumer can be consumed by the tertiary consumer, etc. Thus, energy is transferred from one consumer to another at a higher level. A chain of organisms through which food energy flows in an ecosystem is called a food chain. It can also be defined like this. A food chain in an ecosystem is a series of organisms in which each organism feeds on the chains. In a forest ecosystem, the grass is eaten by a deer, which is in turn eaten by tiger. Grasses, deer and tigers form the food chain. In this food chain, energy flows from grass producer to deer, primary consumer, to tiger, secondary consumer. In freshwater aquatic ecosystems such as ponds, organisms in the food chain include algae, small animals, insects and their larvae, small fish, large fish and fish-eating birds or animals. A food chain always begins with producers. Herbivores, plant eaters, come next in the chain. They are eaten by carnivores, meat eaters. Some food chains can be long and extend to the fourth, fifth, or even sixth order of consumers. Some common food chains are mentioned below. Plant, deer, lion. Then second, plants, worm, birds, cat. Third is plants, grasshopper, frog, snake, hawk. Then fourth one is algae, small animal, small fish, big fish, bird.